Hi, I'm Dr. David Warwick, and I'm with Dr. Crystal Martin here, and you're going to get a demonstration of an actual adjustment that I get. You know, most people ask, do chiropractors get adjusted? Yes, we do. We usually have had an experience in our own lives. So I'd like to give an opportunity to see Dr. Crystal Martin actually working on me. So thank you.
Excellent, thank you, Doc. All right.
Thanks. Put my glasses aside.
Absolutely.
How do you want me?
Let's go face down first. Let's take
I'm going to actually take the white coat off here.
There we go. Okay. So, Doc, anything you want me to take a particular look at?
Just a little sore on the right SI joint.
That one, I say, yeah. Let me just stretch you out first. So, Doc, how long has it been since you've been adjusted?
Well, it actually was by you about what, 4 weeks ago?
Okay, that's a big breath in. One more time, big breath in. All the way out. There we go. Okay. It's funny, that left side's a little bit tighter than the right. Go ahead and drop that right arm for me. There you go. Big breath in. Good. Excellent.
Beautiful.
Same thing the other side. Okay, breath in just a minute. Good. Drop that left arm for me. There we go. Okay, take it down. And then right there. Okay, now, let me check this out one more time. Yeah, right there. Let's go sunny side up. We'll work the neck down to the mid back, and then we'll go ahead and do the hip for you. Okay?
Sounds great. You know, last time you worked on my shoulder, it felt definitely better. So if you have opportunity to help that. And when we adjust patients on their side,
Big breath in. All the way out. Good. And one more time. Good, excellent. Good. Okay, Doc. Go ahead and scoot down probably about an inch or two. And I'm going to go ahead and, Doc's the bigger guy, so I have to kind of use all that I can to get him adjusted. Big breath in. All the way out. There we go. Good. One more lower. Beautiful.
oh, that was great.
All right, Doc. Go ahead and rotate towards me and lay on your side. Good. Was that your knee?
Yep.
Okay. I won't charge you for that one then.
Actually, you got to charge double on size here.
Big breath in. God, other side.
So she was adjusting the lower back area, right? I could feel it through the lumbar spine, side joint.
Right here's for that. Okay, big breath in one more time. All the way up. Good, one more time. Hang on just a second. Right, so that was it. Okay, now go sunny side up. Pick those legs out for me. Much better. Okay, Doc, go ahead.